Farmers Producer Organizations in India, a critical examination of growth, current status, and policy needs. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Agriculture plays an important role in India, but it faces various challenges. A large number of farmers in India have small and marginal holdings of less than 2 hectares, which is linked to the increasing fragmentation of land. Many institutional policies aim to improve farmers' livelihoods to mitigate the disadvantages of land fragmentation. These measures include the formation of Primary Agricultural Cooperative Society (PACS), Self-Help Group (SHG), Joint Liability Group (JLG), and Common Interest Group (CIG). However, there are limitations to these initiatives, as they often provide considerably more managerial control and influence to a locally powerful individual. Moreover, Indian farmers are proficient producers but face significant challenges in marketing their products due to a lack of access to markets in rural areas, limited awareness of other markets, and poor marketing skills to meet demand in accordance with price fluctuations. In response, Farmers Producer Organizations (FPOs) have emerged as pivotal entities aimed at integrating smallholders into mainstream markets. FPOs are collectives of farmers with formal structures and shared goals. The primary aim of FPOs is to diversify high-value crops, help the most disadvantaged people to enhance their access to credit and information services, encourage group efforts and public-private partnerships, open up access to the global market, enable quicker and better prices for produce, and improve supply chain organization. This paper considered the Scopus database using the Boolean keyword farmer and producer organization and identified articles that were shortlisted after screening using the PRISMA framework. While previous studies have offered insights into various aspects of FPOs, there remains a significant lack of cohesive analysis integrating historical trends, current challenges, and future policy directions. This study aims to review the efficiency of farmers' producer organizations in India, focusing on their evolution, current challenges, and future policy directions. Introduction. Farmer-producer organizations (FPOs) are groups formed by farmers to work together and improve their livelihoods. By joining forces, farmers can buy inputs like seeds and fertilizers at lower costs, sell their produce in bulk to get better prices, and reduce their dependency on middlemen. FPOs help small-scale farmers gain access to markets, improve their bargaining power, and benefit from economies of scale. Although Indian farmers are skilled at growing crops, they often struggle to sell their produce effectively due to limited market access and poor marketing knowledge. FPOs act as a bridge between farmers and markets, supporting them in both production and sales. They are gaining support from the government and other organizations as a way to help farmers earn more and become self-reliant. However, the success of FPOs has mostly been limited to certain areas, and more needs to be done to make them effective across the country. This study looks at how FPOs have developed over time, their current role in helping farmers, and what policies can be created or improved in the future to strengthen them and ensure small farmers get the full benefits of collective farming and marketing. Conclusion. Farmer-producer organizations (FPOs) are crucial for integrating smallholders into markets, with over 10,000 FPOs in India benefiting 4 million farmers. Despite a 20 to 25% income increase, 70% face sustainability issues. This study examines FPO-related literature from Scopus, addressing gaps in historical trends, challenges, and policy directions. Despite over 10,000 FPOs in India, a majority struggle with sustainability due to policy and management limitations. The institutional linkage with FPO and continuous monitoring should be given to make the FPO more successful. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.